All right, so we're going to do problem 8.2 from lesson 8.1.1, and we are going to do problem A. So they give us the sum 2x squared plus 7x plus 6, and we need to see if we can build a rectangle with those tiles, and if we can, then we'll be able to write the area as a product. All right, so we're going to go pull out those tiles. So we're going to have 2x squared tiles, 7 x's, and 6 ones. All right, and then what we need to do is see if we can get these into a rectangle. And we usually try to put our x squared tiles in the bottom left-hand corner. And then we just need to play around with our x's and figure out where do we want to put them to create this rectangle. And remember that x sides have to line up with x sides. I can't put a unit tile side along an x side. So I'm just playing around, and I've got to figure out how I can get these ones in here to make a rectangle. So can't do this because that unit side does not line up with an x side, but I can do that. All right, and so I have created my rectangle. I'm just going to take a screenshot of this and get some tools here. All right, so right now we're going to try to write the product of this rectangle. All right, so this dimension down here, we have an x side. So we have one x side, and then we have 2 ones. So that dimension is x plus 2. And then the other side of our rectangle, we have 2 x sides. So there's 2 x's plus 1, 2, 3 ones. All right, so our area as a product is 2x plus 3 times x plus 2. All right, so when we started this problem, we began with the area as a sum, 2x squared plus 7x plus 6. So we took those tiles out, we built our rectangle, and then now we have the dimensions of the rectangle, which is the area as a product, and that process was factoring.